Today we're at a 1,300 square foot townhome, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom.
So for this particular home, I focused my attention on the first floor. So we brought in some living room furniture. The seller has also done some amazing upgrades to the kitchen, so I wanted to spend some time in there.
Yeah, let's take a look inside.
I have always believed that everyone deserves to live in a well-designed home.
And that's why here at the Cynthia Quarantello Realty Group, we've adopted that philosophy. No matter the price point, we believe every home should be staged.